Introduce highlight features and read reviews that most people are talking of. ORFELD car vacuum cleaner, cordless handheld vacuum cleaner, high power. You can find wanted at here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features are included. Strong motor offers 6000 PA suction power. No cord restraint. Enable to clean back seat easily. Tiny and lightweight. Convenient to carry and store. Integrated inflator function and pressure gauge with 3 different inflating outlets. Can be used as air compressor pump for car weight less than 14,000 pounds. Also suit for car, bike, ball, balloon, and swim ring. 2000 mAh built-in lithium battery with overcharge and over-discharge protection function. You can charge in car with USB connector or AC wall adapter as you want. Keep energy supplied readily. Separate switch design. Enable you to clean every dark corner of your car and room. More than that, you can use it as electric torch at night. Light up your life. Multiple cleaning accessories, high-quality inflatable tools, double washable HEPA filter, AC adapter, and USB charging cable, exquisite storage bag, service with heart, travel with soul. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.